welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by ISEE Hair, and y'all, I'm telling you right now, I think this is my favorite wig. This has got to be one of the most prettiest yet convenient wigs a girl can have. I'm excited to put you guys on and try this wig on with you all today. I feel like a lot of y'all will be running to grab you one after this video. So first, I separated a little bit of leave out across the front and braided my hair into 6 big cornrows. I oil my scalp and my hair off camera. So right here, I'm just putting on the wig cap that was also in the packaging. This is optional, but it'll help protect your hair under the wig.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
And y'all, just look how pretty this wig is. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's so full, and just look at the pretty spiral curls at the end. I fell in love the moment I took this out the packaging. I just knew I was going to eat this one up.
Won't let me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for...
So in the inside of the wig, you have 4 combs, 1 at the nape, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the top. You also have an adjustable band and an additional strap to secure it even more. I didn't use a wig grip in this video, but I would suggest it if you want to take a little tension off of your hair when it comes to using the combs.
Now going out my mind, I just can't stop.
So right here, I'm just slipping the wig on my head. And the first thing I did was slide the combs into my cornrows so that it stays in place before I tighten it.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my...
And I want you to notice how it's sitting right behind my leave out, like no space in between, no gaps, no nothing. And then I'm just gonna tighten it using the band and the strap.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
And y'all, we are literally almost done our hairstyle. Like, I promise you, we're about to be done. So right here, I'm just plucking all of the curls apart. I do not want to wet it and mess up the spiral ends. This wig is so pretty as it is dry. So you don't even need to wet it and diffuse it or any of that. Just simply fluff it out and it's a look. And this is what I mean when I say it's super convenient.
You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head.
Okay, so right here, I'm just cutting a few layers throughout my hair so that it isn't all just one length. If it's all just one length, it falls kind of flat, but if you add layers, it gives more of a fluffy look.
Just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, you always make me feel like...
Right here, I'm just taking some black hairspray and I'm spraying it in between my wig and my leave out, since there's a little space right there, as you can see. And if you have fine hair like me, hairspray really does help so that you can see where your natural hair ends and the extensions begin. And if you do have fine edges, it really does not matter with this wig. It's going to blend so well and you'll be able to see at the end. And if your hair is thick, you could just skip this step. You really don't need it. So now all I have to do is lay my edges, curl my leave out, and we're done.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you...
I used my really small curling iron to curl my leave out with my wig. All I did was take a little piece of my leave out and a little piece of the wig in the front and curl it together. You can see exactly how I did it in the video and just follow along.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out. just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay guys, so we are done. Just look how cute this is, and it's so quick and easy to install. I've been wearing mine for a little over a week now, and I just love it. Like when I'm running errands, I put it on. When I'm going to a dinner, I put it on. It really gave me a break from having to really do my hair, and even if I don't curl my edges, it's still cute. Like it blends with the hair. But anyways, get into these looks. Doing a flip over just got 10 times easier. But this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. All of the details for this wig will be listed in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the hype button. And also leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all later.